I would like everyone to please stand up for the national anthem and please keep standing for the NSS song.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
उठे समाज के लिए उठे उठे जगे स्वराष्ट्र के लिए जगे जगे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे हम उठे उठेगा जग हमारे संग साथियों हम बढ़े तो सब बढ़ेंगे अपने आप साथियों ज़मीं पे आसमान को उतार दे ज़मीं पे आसमान को उतार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे उदासियों को दूर कर खुशी को बांटते चले गांव और शहर की दूरियों को पाटते चले ज्ञान को प्रचार दे प्रसार दे विज्ञान को प्रचार दे प्रसार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे समर्थ बाल वृद्ध और नारियां रहे सदा हरे भरे वनों की शाल ओढ़ती रहे धरा तरक्कियों की एक नई कतार दे तरक्कियों की एक नई कतार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे ये जाति धर्म बोलिया बने न शूल राह की बढ़ाए वेद प्रेम की अखंडता की चाह की भावना से ये चमन निखार दे सद्भावना से ये चमन निखार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे
Thank you, everyone. First of all, a very good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Harsh Bedi.
And I am Smita Mishra. And first of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy 52nd NSS Day.
NSS Day is celebrated every year on the 24th of September. because the day marks the formal launching of the NSS in the year of 1969.
And today we are here to cherish, sing, and also dance with you all on the very special day. As you all already know, that we celebrate entire week as an NSS week, and as an NSS volunteer, it's absolutely a very big day for all of us.
We here in NSS believe in one motto, that is not me but you. NSS is all about rendering service and work by using holistic approach. Someone correctly said that public service must be more than doing the job efficiently and honestly. It must be a complete dedication to the people and to the nation.
Very true, Harsh. And to tell you more about NSS and about the day, we have with us our very own Mr. Vikas Vare sir, who is also our program officer. Sir, I request you to kindly take over.
Jai Hind, everyone.
Jai Hind,
Jain
sir.
sir.
As all of you know, that we are celebrating 52nd NSS Foundation Day. As Harsh has already told you, in 1969, 24th September of 1969, this day, the NSS was founded. The main motto also he has already narrated to you. I wish all of you a very happy NSS day and make the NSS activities successful throughout the year. With this motto, I wish each one of you to be a good human beings and sensible human beings, sensible towards the society. I have seen all the programs, whatever the list of programs, what we have all decided to do today. I will not take much of your time because you all must be eagerly waiting for those activities. So wishing you all the best. I once again wish you all happy NSS Day. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind sir, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of encouragement. And I'm very sure that everyone here is now charged up for the event, right? Guys, show us your excitement in the chat box.
Yes,
Fatapat.
please, please. Everyone in the chat
Come on.
box.
I don't think if they are excited.
अरे थोड़ा
You guys know us.
एनर्जी
जब
दिखाओ
तक हम
यार.
लोगों को जब तक हमें चैट बॉक्स भरा हुआ नहीं दिखता तब हम स्टार्ट नहीं
हाँ
करते.
एग्जैक्टली हम
एक
बैठे
हफ्ते में
हैं.
आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा वो एक हफ्ते में.
हाँ.
Awesome, awesome. Okay.
Okay, so I think so we
Now,
are good to go, Smita.
yes, absolutely. Now
This
for the
one week-
Shubharam,
This 1 week.
we
Yeah.
have one performance.
Yeah, I know.
So for the Shubharam, we must start with some Bhagwan ka naam leke,
Yes,
Don't
exactly,
you think
exactly.
Okay, so for that, I would love to call upon Harsh Anchan and Harsh Pedi, our very ever enthusiastic volunteers, to present before you the welcome song.
सरस्वती भगवती विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Hope you all like the welcome song. And
That
now,
was beautiful.
Smita,
Yes, Harsh.
this 1 week we had so much fun together. We learned, we explored, and I hope you all had a great time participating in all the competitions.
Absolutely, Harsh. I totally agree. And I guess people are now eagerly waiting for us to announce the results. What say, Harsh? Shall we?
We will announce the results, but before that, you don't think so? Ki we should tell them which activities were held.
Yeah, right. We can also, highlight those events
Yeah, we can
if if
highlight those
if
events.
they permit. If they permit.
Yeah, please permit us. Can we proceed showing you the highlights? Yes, no?
Yes,
Okay,
the
yes,
same.
yes, yes, yes.
Awesome.
Okay. So, technical team, can you please present the video? Hope you all enjoyed all those events and quickly in the chat box सब लोग ये तो बताओ कि सबका favorite event कौन सा था?
Yeah, right. Even I am excited to know about it.
Yeah, which event did you enjoy the most? Enjoyed the whole week, Lavish. Thank you. Games, Jumanji, games, dance, yesterday's
Games,
games.
games.
I know everyone
Okay,
enjoyed
okay,
a lot
games.
yesterday.
In fact, I enjoyed a lot.
Exactly, exactly. All of it. Guess the movie name. Now, shall we proceed, Smita?
Yes, I know like the people are very excited to know about the winners, but we have with us our cultural leader and also co-leader of Team Unnati, Vivek Barbhuvan.
विवेक सेठ तुमचा स्वागत आहे.
धन्यवाद. My voice is clear.
Yes, yes, yes. The stage
Yes,
is all
Vivek.
yours, Vivek.
Absolutely.
Kill it as usual.
Okay, okay. धन्यवाद आणि सर्वांना जय हिंद. वामनदादा कर्डक असं लिहितात की तुझ्या माझ्या गावचे अंतर जरी आहे, माझा तू तुझा मी खांदेकरी आहे. सागराची लाट तू सागराची लाट मी, सांग आपल्या दोघांमध्ये अशी कोणती दरी आहे. अर्थात कोविडमुळे जो कार्यक्रम कॉलेजच्या ऑडिटोरियम मध्ये व्हायला हवा तो आता सध्या या गुगल मीटवर होतोय आणि आपल्या सर्वांच्या मध्ये एका मोबाईल स्क्रीनचं अंतर आहे. पण मला वाटतं वामनदादाच्या या कवितेतलं अंतर मी तुमचं मनापासून ऐकतायत, मी तुम्हाला मनापासून बोलतोय, त्यामुळे ते अंतर कमी होईल आणि मी माझ्या भाषणाला सुरुवात करतो. की खरं तर सर्वप्रथम NSS परिवाराच्या वतीनं जे जे कार्यक्रम ऐकतायत त्या सगळ्यांना NSS डेच्या शुभेच्छा देतो आणि त्यांचं मनापासून स्वागत करतो. खरं तर आपल्या निवेदकांनी आणि सरांनी NSS डे का साजरा करतात हे आधीच सांगितलंय, पण मला त्यात थोडी भर करायची आहे, कारण कोणताही कार्यक्रम चालू करताना इतिहास सांगणं गरजेचं असतं आणि म्हणून ती भर की 26 जानेवारी 1950 ला भारतात संविधानाचा अंमल सुरू झाला आणि भारतीय शिक्षण पद्धतीने काही नवे बदल स्वीकारले. मग मित्रांनो, तुम्ही सगळे जाणतात की इथल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी फक्त अभ्यासापुरती मर्यादित न राहता अभ्यासाबरोबरच त्यांनी सांस्कृतिक सामाजिक क्षेत्रात प्रगती करावी म्हणून अनेक शिक्षक तज्ञांनी सल्ले दिले. सगळेजण जाणतात की ज्या वेळेला भारतीय शिक्षण पद्धती तुम्ही गुगलवर जरी टाकलं त्यावेळेला सगळ्यात जास्त एक शब्द सर्वात जास्त दिसतो, तो असतो कोठारी आयोग. अर्थात 1966 मध्ये आलेल्या कोठारी आयोगावर चर्चा झाली आणि कोठारी आयोगाने असं सांगितलं की विद्यार्थ्यांचं सामाजिक मन हे त्यांची सामाजिक बांधिलकी जपावी म्हणून काहीतरी योजना असावी. अर्थात एखादी सल्ला मसलत करण्यासाठी वेळ जातो आणि अगदी 2 वर्षानंतर म्हणजे आजचा दिवस अर्थात 24 सप्टेंबर 1969 ला युजीसीचे जे सगळे कुलगुरू आहेत विद्यापीठांचे त्यांच्यासोबत भारताचे तत्कालीन शिक्षण मंत्री VK राव यांनी NSS अर्थात राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजनेची घोषणा केली आणि खऱ्या विद्यापीठांसाठी एक मुक्त दालन सुरू झालं. अर्थात तुम्हाला जे ब्रीदवाक्य तुमच्या स्क्रीनवर दिसतंय, जे पोस्टर दिसतंय की नॉट मी बट यू, माझ्यासाठी नाही पण तुमच्यासाठी, याचा अर्थ फार सोपा आहे मित्रांनो. कारण हे असं सांगतं की माझ्यासाठी नाही म्हणजे तुमच्यासाठी, म्हणजे इथे प्रत्येक जण प्रगती करण्यासाठी पुढे जात असतो, पण तुम्हाला प्रगती करता करता या समाजाची प्रगती होते की नाही हे पाहणं गरजेचं आहे. तुमचं सामाजिक मन, तुमची साक्षरतेसाठी केलेलं काम, तुम्ही स्वच्छतेसाठी केलेलं काम आणि तुमचं क्रीडा क्षेत्रातील काम हे सुद्धा या NSS प्रोग्राम अंतर्गत येतं. मला वाटतं VS NSS युनिट फार ऍक्टिव्ह आहे आणि त्याची माहिती तुम्हाला आपल्या इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक पेजवर सगळी माहिती दिली जात असेल, पण या NSS ला आपल्या भारत सरकारचं युवा व्यवहार आणि क्रीडा मंत्रालय सांभाळतं याची माहिती सुद्धा तुम्हाला असायला हवी. NSS येणाऱ्या काळात तुमच्या सर्वांच्या सोबतीनं आमूलाग्र प्रगती करेल आणि या देशासोबत आपल्या प्रत्येकाचा विकास होईल एवढाच आशा वाटते. अर्थात जो NSS डे गेल्या आठवड्यापासून चाललाय त्याची जी थीम होती इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया, याचा अर्थ अतुलनीय किंवा अविश्वसनीय भारत. मला वाटतं ज्या ज्या वेळेला भारतावर बोलायला येईल त्यावेळेला इथला प्रत्येक जण नेमकं काय बोलू, कसं बोलू आणि काय म्हणू या प्रश्नात असेल. मला माझ्या एका मित्राने विचारलं होतं की भारतावर काहीतरी लिही, पण माझं त्यावेळेला मी भारतावर काय लिहू असा प्रश्न पडला होता, म्हणून मी फक्त 2च लाईन लिहिल्या. कवितेचा अर्थ तेवढा तुम्हाला समजावा त्यासाठीच या 2 ओळी तुम्हाला सांगतोय की जग म्हणजे काय असतं रे भाऊ असा प्रश्न त्याने मला विचारला. जग म्हणजे काय असतं रे भाऊ असा प्रश्न त्याने मला विचारला. मी शांत राहिलो फक्त आणि भारताच्या जगाच्या नकाशावरचा भारत त्याला दाखवला आणि जगाच्या नकाशावरचा भारत मला दाखवला. अर्थात जगात जे आहे ते भारतात आहे. म्हणून गेल्या आठवड्याभरात एवढ्याच कॉम्पिटिशन आपण केल्या आणि त्यातून आपल्या देशाबद्दलचं प्रेम प्रत्येकाने जाणलं. मला वाटतं मला जे ऐकतायत, जे NSS लीडर्स असतील, NSS व्हॉलेंटियर्स असतील किंवा नॉन NSS जे आहेत, जे पार्टिसिपंट्स आहेत, त्यांनी फक्त एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा की NSS ने आम्हाला काय दिलं त्यापेक्षा आम्ही NSS ला आम्ही काय दिलं यावर विचार व्हायला हवा. हा देश युवकांचा देश आहे आणि NSS हे सुद्धा युवकांचं आहे. म्हणून मला ऐकणाऱ्या युवकांसाठी माझ्या लांबलेल्या भाषणाच्या शेवटच्या ओळी त्या कवितेवर विचार व्हावा आणि या कविता तुमच्यासाठी असेल की हे हात उत्सुकलेले दगडांच्या वर्षावाला रोखाते लावा देशाच्या प्रगतीला. हे हात उत्सुकलेले दगडांच्या वर्षावाला रोखाते लावा देशाच्या प्रगतीला. बंद करा हा निरर्थक उन्माद. उन्माद हा शब्द आहे, हा शब्द इथली जी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आहे, आपल्यातलं भांडण आहे, आपल्या ज्या दंगली आहेत, आपल्यात जे अंतर आहे याला प्रेझेंट करतोय. म्हणून शेवटचं वाक्य की हे हात उत्सुकलेले दगडांच्या वर्षावाला रोखाते लावा देशाच्या प्रगतीला. बंद करा हा निरर्थक उन्माद, याने होतोय आपलाच घात. हे सामर्थ्य न जावो व्यर्थ, याला जरासा अर्थ येऊ द्या रे. हा देश माझा याचे भान जरासे राहू द्या रे. हा भारत माझा याचे भान जरासे राहू द्या रे. या भारताचे आपण सगळे नागरिक आहोत आणि याचं भान आपल्याला असेल एवढाच माफक आशावाद. मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद.
Okay, shall we continue, Smita? Because I don't think so.
He almost covered
Exactly.
everything. And
Vivek, hands down, hands down.
whenever I hear this person, no, my relation with Marathi is not so good. But when he speaks, I feel like language is not a barrier. Absolutely.
I every time get goosebumps when he speaks. 3
Goosebumps.
times.
Yeah, right.
Now, moving on to the results. And guess कौन सा रहेगा first? Guess everyone. The results. किसका first disclose करे? Coming back to this, uh, the event that we organized were Acting Mania, Dancing Dynamites, Sangeet Samrat, La Fashionista, Art Attack, Education Express, Perspective Poetry, Writing Wizards, Talking Titans, Trivia Time, Jumanji, Guess the Movie. Now moving on.
Last three were my favorite.
Yeah, last three were favorite. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आ गया. Now moving on to the results of Acting Mania. So everyone is ready?
Participants, where are you?
Participants, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Participants, raise your hands.
Okay, so participants are here.
Wow, 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 wow. There were audience on that day. Audience, if you have watched their performance, please type in the comment box like whom you think that like who will win this Acting Mania competition. Okay, so technical sir, can you please move on to the next slide and
Next slide.
declare our winners? And Acting Mania winners, first prize goes to Ikra Sayyed from SYBCom. Congratulations, Ikra.
And second prize goes to Ayushi Ma from SY BAF.
Congratulations, Ayushi. Third prize goes to Snehal Kapadne from FYBCom.
Congratulations, Nehal.
Congratulations, each and everyone. Your acting skills were so nice that the judges couldn't take their eyes off it. And you were
Exactly,
the
the
top three
competition
amongst them. Congratulations, everyone.
Between them, the competition were really tough.
Exactly.
That's something we got to know from our judges.
Exactly. Now, moving on to the next result. कौन सा है पता है? किसमें था?
Results announce करना है कि कुछ अलग अब.
रिजल्ट्स तो होता रहेगा पूरा दिन, बट उससे पहले एक डांस हो जाए हमारे ग्रुप का एनएसएस के थ्रू.
हाँ.
हो जाए? सब रेडी हो?
हो जाए.
एवरीवन एक्साइटेड?
मानसी is excited. सबसे ज्यादा
Mansi is every time excited for dance. Okay. So here we present the dance video from the NSS unit. Here you all go.
Hope you all enjoy it.
नदीच्या पल्ल्याड आईचा डोंगर, नदीच्या पल्ल्याड आईचा डोंगर, डोंगर माथ्याला देवीचं मंदिर, डोंगर माथ्याला देवीचं मंदिर, आलू जागर डोंगर माथ्याला, आलू जागर डोंगर माथ्याला, हे लल्लाटी भंडार दूर लोटून दे अंधार, आलं दुरून रांगून डोंगर यंगून उघड देवी दार, लल्लाटी भंडार दूर लोटून दे अंधार, आलं दुरून रांगून डोंगर यंगून उघड देवी दार.
Wow, I wish I had a part of that energy.
Exactly. The energy was.
अब हम लोग ने डांस देख लिया
तो किसका रिजल्ट होना
तो
चाहिए?
रिजल्ट्स भी आई गेस उसका ही होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
Don't you guys think so?
Dance के contestants, please raise your hands. Shivani, Tejal, Sneha.
Yeah, but first, before announcing the result, I personally loved all of your performances. I was there that day and I literally enjoyed each and every bit of it.
Exactly.
So you guys are already winners.
The performance was so nice. Even the judges, they were so happy with the performances. They were like, oh wow, like they were actually shocked. Like online, mein, these people did such a great thing with so much little space, with so much less what we say resources. They did a brilliant job. Now, without wasting any more time, we will announce the winners of Dancing Dynamite, and the winners are Prachi Gupta from SYBA. Prachi.
Congratulations, Prachi. And second prize goes to Sneha Shah from FYBT.
Congratulations, Sneha. And the last prize goes to Ishita Motwani from FYBCom. A very big congratulations to one and all. I hope everyone enjoyed the performances of you all, and you're the winners over here. Now, moving on to the next segment. क्या पसंद है लोगों को डांस के बाद? एक्टिंग हो
खाना।
गई, नहीं खाना तो पसंद है, एक्टिंग हो गई, डांस हो गया, क्या मिसिंग है?
Singing. Nancy says singing.
Exactly. Now, before declaring the singing results, एक ग्रुप सॉन्ग तो बनता है
Studies.
बाय द एनएसएस यूनिट.
लाविश लाविश हाँ. स्टडीज सुबह लेक्चर्स अटेंड किया आपने?
Now, okay, now keeping the lectures aside, now moving on to the singing part, group singing by our NSS volunteers. So, are you all ready and excited, everyone?
There's the
Yes.
excitement.
Hey, excitement तो दिखाओ यार, excitement दिखाओ. हाँ, ये हुई ना बात. Now, moving on to the group singing. Technical sir, can you please?
जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का लाई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जब जब मुझ पे उठा सवार माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई.
Just a second. There's some technical glitch from our side. Just a second.
Hello guys, we are very sorry for the glitch. But ठीक है, ऐसे बड़े बड़े इवेंट्स में छोटी मोटी glitches तो होती रहती है. Our technical team is looking after it. So just give us a minute. We will be right back. Hello everyone, and again, I'm really sorry for the glitch. जब तक technical team देख रही है problem को, is there anyone who would like to unmute themselves and share their experience or how was it? How was the competition? Did you all like it? Would you all like to share something? Come on, if this is the time, let's interact.
Yes, I would like. Can I?
Yeah, sure, Rajkumar.
I would like to know, bring in notice the past few moments in Maharashtra which have been going on. If you have permission, then I will continue.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Can you please repeat?
I wanted to talk about the recent rape cases that is happening in Maharashtra. Can I? In
Yeah, sure,
past
go
few
ahead.
days, in past few days, the youth of India, especially the Maharashtra, is seeing that many, many rape cases are coming in front. Yesterday, a 14 years old minor girl was raped by 30 men mutually. What is this happening in Maharashtra? Even after being so many strict actions to be taken against them, we just do the candle march and we just do rest in peace like this and all this event. But what the youth is doing now? No event such, no news reports, no nothing. Even the government of Maharashtra is trying to cover up them, trying to hide them. I'm not against any government or any public issue, but I want to know.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I guess this might offend some people. So we should
But
not
why?
discuss that. We should not discuss that. Let's stick to the event for now. If you have
I would
anything to
like.
say about
Okay, okay.
NSS Day or NSS Week, we would love to hear you.
So sorry.
Just I will end my words by India is against rape.
जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का राई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जब जब मुझ पे उठा सवार माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन माँ मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ हो माँ मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएगी गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएगी हो खुदा मेरी असर तू दुआओं का है घर मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ हो माँ मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ बिगड़ी किस्मत भी संवर जाएगी जिंदगी तराने खुशी के गाएगी तेरे होते किसका डर तू दुआओं का है घर मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ हो माँ मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ ऐ गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे मेरे गाँव के बेटे का नाम ले। है गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरे दोस्तों मेरे दिल रुबा, मेरी माँ को मेरा पैगाम दे, उन्हें जाके तू ये पैगाम दे। मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, फिर अपनी गाहों में किसी के छाओं में, के माँ के आंचल से, गाँव के पीपल से, किसी के काजल से, या जो वादा था वो निभाऊंगा। मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा। ओ, 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 पीछा तेरा रंग था मैं तो, जिया तेरे रंग से मैं तो, तू ही था मौला, तू ही यार मौला मेरे ले मेरी जान, मौला मेरे ले मेरी जान।
The wait was indeed worth. I really enjoyed the every bit of your performance. You all five of you were awesome, and you all can see people really loved your performance. The chat box is literally flooded with comments. It was that amazing.
Thank you so
I,
much
I loved it.
everyone.
I loved it.
आई होप सबको बहुत मजा आया गाना सुन के, एंड वही हमारा मेन मोटो था कि यार सब लोग सुनो, सब लोग को मजा आए. Sanya, I think so. Sanya raised her hand. Okay, it's okay, Sanya. Now, moving on to the results for the Sangeet Samrat. You got power to change that. Arey, thank you, Lavish. Thank you so much. Now, moving on to the group singing. तो हो गया, सबने सुन लिया ग्रुप सिंगिंग, सबको मजा आया. थैंक यू सो मच. मूविंग ऑन टू द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द संगीत सम्राट एंड द विनर्स. एक मिनट विनर से पहले कंटेस्टेंट्स हाथ तो उठाओ.
Okay, so participants are here. I thought.
Okay. Harshanchan, you were not in the competition. Okay, and the winners for the Sangeet Samrat is on your computer screens. First prize goes to Sinjini Mukherjee from FYBA. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, Sanjini. And the second prize goes to Sneha Saha from first year biotechnology.
Congratulations,
Again,
Sneha.
Congratulations.
And the third prize, Prateek Chauhan, everyone.
Chauhan.
Prateek Chauhan. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. It was such mesmerizing voice. It was so good to hear. Such में मजा आ गया.
Absolutely.
More sir was so happy with your performances. I can't tell. Okay. Now, dance हो जाए इसमें था थोड़ा सा.
Yeah, let's have another performance.
Let's have another performance.
People are enjoying the performance part a lot. I can see that in the chat box.
Yes. So can we have Madhuri Desai from NSS leader actually?
Leader, yeah.
Leader
Everyone
now.
cheer up for Madhuri. She's
Give her a
brilliant
big
artist.
round of applause. Give her a big round of applause. And we present you Madhuri Desai from the NSS unit.
Here you go.
Excuse me. Can anyone show that singing the award screen once again?
Sure, Sanjini. Just a second. Here you go, Sanjini.
Yeah, it's done. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, moving on to the performance of Madhuri Desai.
Madhuri, girl, you are so graceful.
She kills. She kills. हर एक उसको कुछ भी दे दो.
हाँ मतलब
She flaunts. She flaunts. Really, she flaunts. और अभी flaunts और इन सब की बातें हो ही रही हैं. तो let's declare the results of the fashion show.
yeah, La Fashionista, who is
Exactly.
Miss Fashionista.
Yeah. So are you guys ready for the results? Each and every participants just raise your hands. Okay, now moving on to the results of the fashion show. And the winners for the fashion show are on your computer screen right now. Again, Sinjini, you're first over here. You're killing it, girl. You're killing it.
Congratulations, Sinjini. And the
Congratulations.
second prize goes to Khushbu Chaurasia from TY BAP. Congratulations, Khushbu.
Congratulations, Khushbu. I tell you, Smita, this girl, she was everywhere. Khushbu. She took part
Yeah,
in each and everything. आधा हम लोग को बचाया हुआ खुशबू ने था. हर एक इसमें participated थी. Thank you, Khushbu, for participating in each and every event. And thank you so much. And the last prize goes to Sheikh Ilaf. Congratulations. Each and every
I remember
Yes.
this girl was struggling to upload her video initially, and then after so much of hard work, she finally made it. So congratulations, Ilaf.
Congratulations to each and every one of you. Now, moving on. ये एक डांस से सब पेट भर गया क्या स्मिता?
मेरा तो बिल्कुल नहीं. It's like I want more. I want more.
है ना? So moving on to one more dance performance. तेरा भर गया लावेश. Your exceptional case. So moving on to yet another performance by Dil Mange More. ये Dil Mange More, exactly. Moving on to the next performance by our NSS volunteer Prerna Kumari. So here it goes. Everyone, just please show some love in the comment section.
What an amazing performance, Prerna.
Exactly,
All your
Prerna.
moves, all your moves made me feel like, oh, even I should come and dance with her.
हाँ मैं भी
But
कर
it's
पाता
it's
but
it's just not our cup of tea.
exactly. No, it's your cup of tea, Smita. You all will get to know. उनका भी performance है अभी वैसे. So
You all
moving,
can cut that part.
no. Now moving on to the winners of the nail art.
Neela.
Nail art. So the contestants, the participants, can you please raise your hands? Okay, and we have 4 to 5 people with us. Yeah. Okay. Now moving on to the results of the nail art, and the winner for the nail art competition is on your screen. First prize goes to Pooja Sharma from TY Bicom.
Congratulations, Pooja. Kudos to
Congratulations,
you.
Pooja.
And second prize goes to again, Pooja Sahani.
Yeah, just
Both
Poojas
Poojas,
with
congratulations.
exactly. Now, and the third prize goes to Sakshi Jain from FI BAF. Congratulations, Sakshi, and congratulations all the three of you. मजा आ गया.
Giving you a moment to take screenshot of it so that you don't miss it.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, मस्त स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, मस्त स्टेटस पे डालना चाहिए. जीत के आए हम.
Chalo, I think it's done. So let's move without wasting
Yeah,
any
it's done.
further time. Let's
एक
move
मिनट
on.
स्मिता.
Yeah.
इन लोगों को मजा तो आ रहा है? Like guys, come on, just tell us. Like, are you enjoying or not? Obviously, Hanji.
Obviously.
Yes. Enjoying.
Great. See you all enjoy. Just keep the chat box moving.
Yes,
so that हमें भी
exactly.
मजा आए.
Exactly. Now, वो ग्रुप डांस कुछ अधूरा सा नहीं लग रहा था. Like कभी सब हो गया और एक अच्छा वाला ग्रुप डांस, लाइक वो अच्छा था, ऐसा नहीं अच्छा था ऑफ कोर्स, बट
हाँ
एक एनर्जी और भी ज्यादा होनी चाहिए, और थोड़ा और
हाँ
इंडियन जो सबको आता हो।
इंडिया, हाँ वही थोड़ा जो कभी जैसे गुजराती गरबा, डांडिया, वी ऑल वेट फॉर
एग्जैक्टली
नवरात्रि, वी वेट
और
फॉर
आने
नवरात्रि
भी
फॉर द
वाली है,
होल ईयर।
आने भी
हाँ तो
वाली है
वो तो
नवरात्रि।
बनता है, फिर एक गुजराती डांस तो बनता है।
So presenting you
तो अच्छे,
again the NSS unit say group dance by our NSS unit say on your screen right now. You all can watch it and have fun.
जी 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 खनखनाक गोरी के कंगना आज छननननन झंझनाक पायल संग बाजे रंग रंग हाथिला दिलकिट दिला बाजे मृदंग धन 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 बाजे छम 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 चमाक झांझर झम झम चमाक घुंघरू गम गम गमाक चमक चम चमाके बाजे रे ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोली तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल।
Girls. Oof.
the way these girls put all their heart and soul to the performance now, I just love it.
Exactly. Now moving on to the results of Rangoli.
So good. Okay, let's
Rangoli.
have the results. Let's have the results.
दिवाली भी आने वाली है, रंगोली तो आनी चाहिए. Okay, the contestants, can you please raise your hands? Okay, now declaring the results of the Rangoli competition, and the winners are on your screen. Oh,
Khushbu
मेहंदी आ गया, कोई
again.
नहीं, मेहंदी आ
Oh,
गया.
it's Mehndi, I thought. But still, Khushbu again.
Khushbu again. Congratulations, Khushbu, from TY BAF. And the second prize goes to Ruheen Sheikh.
First year BCom. Congratulations, Ruheen.
And the last prize goes to Prachi Jaiswal from SYBMS. Our technical team is, pranking with us, okay, Smita?
Exactly.
But no
So,
issues,
Bharti,
no issues.
congratulations to the winner of Mehndi competitions. You guys,
Yes,
take screenshot
exactly.
fatafat.
Congratulations all. And Khushbu, again, thank you. Everyone, यार एक clap emoji हो जाए सबके लिए. Now, we hope that our technical team gives us Rangoli winners next time. So, hoping that, please can you declare the winners of
Results,
Rangoli?
yeah.
And at last, the winners from Rangoli are here. And the first prize goes to Shweta Padwal from TY BCom. Congratulations, Shweta.
And the second prize goes to Shruti Jha from TY BBI. Congratulations, Shruti.
And the last prize goes to Nihansi
Nihanshi
Charotia from
Charotia.
SYBA. BA. Smita,
Congratulations,
BA.
girl.
Congratulations,
I know.
everyone. Now, moving on to the basket, doodle, Warli, and Mandala winners. Everyone, just come on. आ जाओ एक्साइटेड हो जाओ मस्त. भी तुम्हें पता चलेगा क्या तुमने किया एंड हमारे जजेस ने तुम्हें क्या रिजल्ट्स दिए.
So I can see people
Everyone
are excited.
excited? Now, the result of the basket decoration is on your screens right now. The first prize goes to Prachi Jaiswal from SYBMS.
Congratulations, Prachi. And second prize goes to Sheetal Kansuli. I'm really sorry, Kansuli, if I apologize if I'm mispronouncing your name, Sheetal. But congratulations.
And the third prize goes to Sonal Bhandare from FIBSC IT. Congratulations, each and everyone. Your work was appreciated by all the judges. Congratulations. Put a back.
FYs are
खुद को
killing
एक ये
it.
दो यार सब लोग.
FYs are awesome. This year, I'm just loving this new
Exactly.
batch. They're so enthusiastic and so creative. I just loved it.
Moving on to the doodle art. And the winners for them are on your screens. First prize goes to Marmika Borkar from FYBA again.
Congratulations, Marmika. And the second prize goes to Komal Nirmal from FYBT Biotechnology. Congratulations, Komal.
And the last prize goes to Lathika Kotian from FIBSC CS. Congratulations, everyone, for winning the doodle painting.
Hope you all are
Now-
taking the screenshots.
Yes, exactly. Please take the screenshots. हाँ हम लोग वापस से पीछे नहीं जाएंगे. Now, यार बहुत ज्यादा जल्दी जल्दी रिजल्ट्स नहीं डिक्लेयर हो रहे.
हाँ, बट ठीक है, मजा आ रहा है.
Now, can we have a small performance by our own NSS volunteer, Mansi Patil? And you all know, जिनको भी पता है मानसी के बारे में, she is an awesome dancer. Really, सबको मजा आ जाएगा. I tell you, just sit back on your seat and enjoy the performance. हाँ, मेहंदी का सबका रिजल्ट आएगा. अब सबका रिजल्ट आएगा.
मेहंदी का हमने
हो तो गया
डिक्लेयर
मेहंदी
किया
का.
ना,
कि कर दिया वो, गलती से हमारे कंप्यूटर जी ने हमारे से प्रैंक किया था.
मस्ती किया और हमने फिर रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया.
कोई नहीं, इतना तो भूल चुक माफ है. Now, moving on to the performance by our own Mansi Patil, and please take back your seat, आराम से बैठो and enjoy the performance.
कला तू संजीवनी देते उग्र रूपा मागे सुद्धा वात्सल्य वाहते तुझ्या कृपा दृष्टीचे मी दान मागते गोंधळ मांडिते आई गोंधळ मांडिते
हमने जब जब शमशीरें ताने हैं वाहे भवानी आंधियां उठे शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे हमने बात की कीमत में ठानी है माया भवानी धुआं धुआं गहरा था घना अंधेरा था तुमने इसमें रोशनी भरी ऐलान दिया भक्ति का दान दिया शक्ति का तूने ही तो ज्योतियां भरी आके शीश नाचते तेरी बात हम लगे तेरे कदमों की शपथ मारते है मौज
हाकेला धावून ये आई भक्तांचा उद्धार कर चरणी तुझा ठेवू माथा दार उघडाई दार उघड
What an exceptional
What
performer
was
she
that?
is. I mean, oh my God. Like seriously, from expressions, song selection, her energy, everything were
It
just,
was
they
so
were on point.
graceful.
Graceful, powerful, beautiful, and whatnot. I totally loved it. Mansi, you were
Mansi,
awesome.
hats off, Mansi. Now, moving on to the winners from Varley Painting. And contestants, please raise your hands. Okay. Now, Computer G, can you please declare the winners?
A Barley painting.
And the winners are first prize goes to Pooja Sharma from TYBCom.
Congratulations, Pooja. And second prize goes to Marmika Borkar. Again, congratulations, girl, from FIBA. Good to see my juniors
And
are being so creative.
okay,
Congratulations.
okay, Smita. Okay, Smita.
Yeah, okay, I'm controlling myself.
Okay, just control. Okay, now moving on to the third winner, and the name is Kajal Pradhan from SYBCom. Everyone, a big congratulations to all one of you.
Congratulations, girls.
Sachi, maza aa gaya. Now moving on to the Mandala Art winners. Mandala Art contestants, can you please raise your hands? And the winners
Oh, so many
for the Mandala
participants.
Art is on your screens now. And the first prize goes to Yasmin Tanwar from SYBA. Okay, BA again, Smita, you can take the credit.
Congratulations, Yasmin. So good to see you participate and as well as you're winning all the competitions. Proud of you, girl. And second prize goes to Riya Pathak from FYBAC Computer Science. Congratulations, Riya.
And the third prize goes to Dipali Shukla from FYBA. Congratulations, everyone, for winning it.
Three cheers to Arts Department.
Okay, okay. Hip hip.
Hooray! Hip hip,
Hip
hooray!
hip.
Okay, I'm more than happy today.
Okay, okay, okay. I know that. Now we have our ma'am with us, Ashwini Gole ma'am. Ma'am, can you please come and share some thoughts?
Jai Hind, ma'am.
Jai Hind ma'am, how are you
Jai Hind,
ma'am?
all of you. I'm so good. I'm so good. Even after watching this lovely performances, I'm really very good.
Ma'am, hope you are enjoying it.
Yeah, a lot. So I've joined just, but I mean, I'm so lucky that I could watch Mansi's performance. I guess it was really very, very nice. I
Ma'am,
mean,
it was.
it was a really blasting. Yeah.
Yes, exactly, ma'am. The stage is all yours,
Yes.
ma'am. The stage is all yours.
Yeah. Thank you. Even Harsh, Asmita, you are doing really well.
Thank you
In
so much,
anchoring.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So happy NSS Day, all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So I'm here to just take your 2 minutes. I'm not going to take much time, all of you, because I know many of you are waiting for your results. I can understand that patience, because I just would like to share कि when I was at your place, when I was a NSS student, so I know how it, I mean how it feels. क्योंकि हर टाइम कुछ ना कुछ पार्टिसिपेशन करना है, that is what we want to do, and that is where that is what exactly you learn from NSS. It is definitely selfless service, but apart from that, when you are doing such kind of a participation in cultural activities, or kind of doing the representation in representation of your any kind of art in college, it the kind of appreciation that you get, it will be there for you. I mean, even after you leave the college, or even after you go for any kind of so-called high salary job and everything, but these college memories will be there definitely. And NSS is such a platform where you can actually be learn to how exactly human being, or how I always feel कि it is a kind of a necessary step for everyone to take it, and from there you will start building humanity, and you will be really very different person out of it. That's what I guess. All the best to all of you for further any kind of participation that you are going to do, and congratulations to all the winners. Yes, over to you, Harsh. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
for gracing
Thank
the
you.
event.
Now moving on to
To the
जो सब
results.
लोग eagerly wait कर रहे थे जिनकी performance का, स्मिता मिश्रा जी, आपका performance time आ चुका है. Now is everyone excited? अरे हाँ ना, कुछ तो बोलो, कुछ तो एनर्जी दिखाओ. ये देखो, ये तो ऐसे ही शर्मा गई, कैमरा ऑफ कर दी. यस, चालू कर दे. सो कंप्यूटर जी, जस्ट ऑन द वीडियो. इनको हम बाद में बुला लेंगे वापस से. हो स्मिता, तूने तो इतने किल्ली कर छोड़े हुए।
Okay, let's move forward without commenting anything on that.
You don't believe me, you don't believe me? Just see the chat box right now.
It's already embarrassing. Just let's move forward.
It was
Thank
so
you.
good. Everyone, how was the
Thank you so much.
performance?
Thank you everyone for all your appreciation.
See, sir,
Thank you
sir
so
is
much,
also
sir.
saying that it was a nice dance.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, moving on to the results of education.
Guys,
Everyone ready?
where are you?
Hands up.
Where are participants? Technical team. बहुत ज़्यादा excited है. They announced the result already.
Just can't help. Technical team is ना बहुत हमसे ज्यादा उत्साहित है यार वो. They can't wait. They're like, चलो, come on. And the winners
do our job
for
now.
the Education Express, first prize goes to Prachi Gupta from SYBA again.
Congratulations, Prachi. And second prize goes to, okay,
Congratulations.
Lavish.
Lavish, oh my God, Lavish. Congratulations, Lavish.
सबका काम एक तरफ, Lavish का काम एक तरफ.
एक तरफ,
You should
exactly.
also get a award for the entertainer of the week.
Exactly. Entertainer of the week. Title goes to Lavish Pariyani. And the
Congratulations,
third
Lavish.
prize goes to Sanjeevni Kokare from FYBSC IT. Congratulations each and everyone for winning the Education Express.
Congratulations, people.
And now for the results of story writing. Contestants, participants, just hands up, fatapat, fatapat. Yes. Now, declaring the results. Computer, sir? And the winners for writing wizards goes to first prize Rutuja Pulkar from FIBT. Congratulations, Rutuja.
And second prize goes to Nikita Amesar from FYB BAF. Your FYs are awesome.
BAF.
BAF, yeah, right. BAF.
And again, the third prize goes to Marmika Borkar from FIBA. Congratulations, everyone.
sir.
Congratulations for winning the writing wizards. Now, poetry. Poetry, such nice. कितना मजा आता है
I love poetry.
सुनने में.
I love poetries.
And just imagine if the poetry is written by our own Vivek.
Right.
विवेक याद है ना, अभी इसने इतना मस्त
अभी
स्पीच दिया था.
हाँ.
विवेक वार भुवन.
नाम ही काफी है हर्ष, नाम ही काफी है.
नाम ही काफी है, नाम ही काफी है.
काफी है.
विवेक का सिर्फ नाम ही काफी है.
नाम ही काफी है.
Now, a group poem by our NSS unit, written by Vivek Varbhuvan.
जय हिंद. भारताच्या वैभवतेचे वर्णन करणारी एक कविता आज मी आपणा सर्वांसमोर सादर करीत आहे. कवितेचे शीर्षक आहे भारत. बुद्धांच्या पंचशिलेचा आणि गीतेतल्या अध्यात्म्याचा स्वाध्याय गिरवतो भारत. पुराणातल्या रुपाचा आणि ख्रिस्तांच्या बंधुभावांचा अध्याय गिरवतो भारत.
हिमालयापरी तटस्थ राहतो भारत. गंगा यमुना सरस्वतीच्या गतीने अविरत वाहतो भारत. ध्येयाच्या धुंदीने पाराच्या वेगाने पुढे जातो भारत. शिवरायांच्या तलवारीवरी तळपतो भारत. भीमरायांच्या तेजस्वी लेखणीतून झळकतो भारत. समता, बंधुता, धर्मनिरपेक्षतेचा प्रचार करतो भारत. सर्वश्रेष्ठ संविधानाने दिलेले लोकशाहीचा प्रसार करतो.
पृथ्वीच्या विविधतेत रमतो भारत. भाषाच्या रंगतेत नटतो भारत. अन्यायाविरुद्ध लढतो भारत. शत्रूंनाही मित्र समान वागवतो भारत.
एसीतल्या मेट्रोतून फिरतो भारत. एखादी ओढ लोकल जनसामान्यांची
जनरलच्या डब्यात लटकतो भारत. दुःखितांचं उपेक्षितांचं दुःख मांडतो भारत. कधी कधी शेतकऱ्यांची व्यथा सुद्धा मांडतो भारत. रस्त्यांच्या खड्ड्यात अडकतो भारत. लाखोंच्या घोटाळ्यात सापडतो भारत. विषमतेच्या वणव्यात जळतो भारत. दंगे भडकवून ते बाजूला होतात आणि तुरुंगवासाची शिक्षा भोगतो भारत. कधी कधी गरिबी पायी फक्त एकाच वेळचं जगतो भारत. आणि जर नाही मिळालं तेच रस्त्यावरच्या दिव्याखाली उपाशीच झोपतो भारत. जळतो भारत, पेटतो भारत, अर्ध कोटी झोपतो भारत. ते लाख करतात प्रयत्न भारताला तोडण्याचा. ते प्रत्येकाच्या मनात एकतेच बोलतो भारत. म्हणून मित्रांनो, कवी शेवटच्या वेळी फक्त एवढंच म्हणतोय की मला दिसतो तो भारत मला ऐकणाऱ्या प्रत्येकाच्या मनात. मला दिसतो तो भारत मला ऐकणाऱ्या त्या प्रत्येकाच्या मनात आणि स्वतःला भारतीय म्हणून घेणाऱ्या त्या प्रत्येकाच्या घरात. म्हणून म्हणतो भारतीयांनो, चला सारे आता तरी एकत्र येऊया. जातीपाती विषमतेच्या भिंती गाडू. चला यार विज्ञान विवेकाची कास धरूया. उद्याचा भारत देश घडूया. उद्याचा भारत देश घडूया. मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद.
वाव.
हर्ष, भारत माता की
जय.
जय.
एवरीवन, थोड़ा जोश से सब लोग यार, अनम्यूट भी कर सकते हो. बोलो भारत माता की
जय. ओके.
भारत माता की
जय.
जय.
3 बार होता है यार.
awesome.
भारत माता की
जय.
जय.
एग्जैक्टली. ये एनर्जी एनर्जी. अभी पोएट्री हुई है तो पोएट्री का रिजल्ट भी तो आना चाहिए ना. Now
बराबर,
moving
बराबर.
on to the results of the poetry competition, and the results are perspective poetry, and the first prize goes to Nausheen Sheikh from SY BAF. Congratulations, Nausheen.
Congratulations, girl. And second prize goes to Ashwini Khandare from SY BAF. BAF again. Okay.
BAF.
Okay.
And the third prize goes to Anuradha Gupta from TY BAF. Congratulations, Anuradha. Congratulations, all of
Anuradha.
you.
All three of you from BAF. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Before moving ahead, we have a small song by our own leader of social avengers,
Kalavati. Everyone,
Kalavati.
she got really melodious voice. And come on, just cheer up for her. She's awesome.
Exactly.
She's one of the dynamic leaders.
And over to you.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलशन हमारा है. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलशन हमारा है. सदियों से भारत होने दुनिया की शान है. भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन सरकार है. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलशन हमारा है. नहीं अपना चमन टूटे नहीं अपना वतन, गुणगान करेंगे कोई, दरबार करेंगे कोई. मंदिर यहाँ मस्जिद यहाँ, हिंदू यहाँ मुस्लिम यहाँ, मिलकर रहे हम प्यार से सलाम. हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है,
सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है, हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है। सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है, जन्मभूमि है हमारी, शान से कहेंगे हम, सभी का भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। गुजरात तक, बंगाल से महाराष्ट्र तक, जाति कई एक है, भाषा कई एक है, कश्मीर से मद्रास तक, कह दो सभी हम एक है, आवाज दो हम एक है, जागो।
I tell you, Smita, her voice is so smoothing and so
Yeah,
melodious now.
I just love her voice. It's so sweet, you know. What a lovely performance,
Actually,
Kalavati.
now we are getting to the end of our event, and we have the last results, the debate winners.
So where are the participants?
Participants, raise your hands. Oh, इतने सारे.
There were two teams.
Hmm. Now moving on to the results of the debate, and the winners for the debate are the
Congratulations, guys.
team that wins have Lavesh again, Paryani from FY IT. Congratulations, Lavesh.
Congratulations, Lavesh. And their leader, Rutuja Tulkar from FY Biotechnology, Gaurav Adhikari from TY Biotechnology, Anmol Keswani from FY BSc IT, and Prerna Bafila from SY BCom. Prerna, my favorite girl. Congratulations to all of you for winning the debate competition.
Congratulations for winning the debate. Now, as we come to the end of today's day, I would like our program officer, Sunita ma'am, to say a few words. Sunita ma'am, are you here?
Yes, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am, no
Sure,
issues.
ma'am.
Everyone enjoyed?
It's almost, we are ending now.
So what
And I
about games?
Sorry?
Games ka, I think we already announced the results yesterday.
Announced yesterday. The winners were announced yesterday.
But don't worry, once again we'll circulate the notice with all the names on the same notice. So don't worry, you'll get to know about it.
Yes, ma'am. Now, over to you, Sunita ma'am. Over to you.
Yes.
Over to you, ma'am.
Jai Hind, students and teachers. Happy NSS Day to one and all present here. And once again, you have proved that all of you are the great, or all of you are the best, I can say. So here I am speechless, and my words will be insufficient to praise you. So the way you have celebrated this NSS week as well as the foundation day of NSS in this virtual environment, it is commendable. Congratulations to all the winners as well as all the participants who have participated in various events throughout this week, and you have arranged the activities like fine arts event here, the performing arts events as well as literary events. I think more than 200 students may be the participants here in all these activities. Since beginning, I am here in this meet and I have a lot of work to do, but I have left everything and I thought, let me enjoy this program. And after that, in late night also, I can finish my work. But this is the priority for the time being. And throughout this event, I am questioning myself, okay, whether I am in a auditorium or I am at home in this virtual environment, and I am enjoying the event. So before 1 year back, I think last year the program was not means in auditorium, and we were also in the virtual environment, and we have celebrated. But last year, I remember the auditorium was packed with more than 200 or around 300 students, and a lot of enthusiasm as well as energy and happiness. I have seen in my volunteer space, and the same things all of you have created in this virtual environment. So here, each and every performance, I can say, the singing things, dance, as well as other performance, all the things are awesome and enjoyable. So hats up to all the volunteers as well as the leaders. Here, thank you, teacher in charges, judges, for helping our students or leaders to organize this kind of activities. So a big round of applause for all of you. Let this happiness cherish forever in all our life. Jai Hind. Thank you all. Over to you, Harsh and Smita.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for taking time from your busy schedule. We understand the the work or the job or
The
your plans.
workload.
So, ma'am, thank you. Yeah, thank you for being here throughout the event, ma'am. We really appreciate your presence. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And now, it's time to practice gratitude and to present before you the vote of thanks. I request Harsh Bedi, who is also our NSS representative, to present before you the vote of thanks.
Okay.
Over to you, Harsh.
Thank you. Jai Hind, everyone. My warm regards to one and all present here. I'm Harsh Bedi from the NSS unit, and it's my absolute honor to present before you the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire unit. Today, I am immensely happy to announce that a unit virtually and a happy week-long celebration of the NSS Day. And I think it's a fine day to acknowledge each and everyone's contribution who gave their time and efforts which made this event memorable and successful. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to our principal, Dr. Anita Kanwa ma'am, and vice principal, Shantini Nair ma'am, for allowing us to conduct this event and supporting us throughout. I would also like to thank our POs, Professor Vikas Ware sir and Professor Sunita Chaudhary ma'am, for constant support and encouragement. Also, a big thank you to all our inspiring teacher in charge who were our big time supporters and a guiding light for us. I know it wouldn't have been easy for our teachers to help us and manage lectures all together. We truly appreciate your deeds. Special thanks to our very own Shashank sir for providing us with the technical support. And without forgetting, I would also like to mention that these events cannot happen overnight. People who work behind the scenes deserve a deep sense of appreciation. So thank you, all my teammates, our leaders, co-leaders. You all did an amazing job to make sure each and every event goes in a smooth way. Last but not the least, thanks to all the participants and audience. You played a very, very, very important role in making this NSS Day celebration successful. And I also would like to thank our judges. From the VS faculty, we had Kunal Chela sir, Ms. Divya Shetty ma'am, Ms. Ashwini Gole ma'am, Ms. Arohi Khar ma'am, Ms. Jayashri Kuradia ma'am, Mr. Santosh More, and Mrs. Ekta Singh. We had alumni with us and who were Lavina Vasyani, Neha Sasane, Varak Krishna, Riya Koraku, Amrata Rupani, Ankita Bhalekar, and other faculty was Mrs. Richa Sharma. Thank you all. And before leaving, I would like, अगर किसी को भी कुछ भी बोलना है, it's the stage now.
अरे आई वांट टू आस्क, एक पावरफुल स्पीकर का भी अवार्ड था ना डिबेट में?
I guess it's with the team. I will have to follow for that. Just a minute. Just give me a
Yes, we'll get back to you with
Yeah,
that
yeah.
very, very soon.
Okay, okay.
Anything else? Anyone would like to say anything?
Yes, Harsh and leaders, I wanted a long report on this NSS week celebration. Okay, in 2-3 days. Along with
Sure, ma'am.
photograph.
Sure, ma'am. And Lavish, answering your question, you are the best speaker. We just got in the results. You are the best speaker for it.
Congratulations,
Congratulations,
Lavish.
Lavish.
Thanks a lot.
Congratulations,
Thanks a
Lavish.
lot.
Congratulations, Lavish.
Thanks a lot.
Now, so here we come to the end of the NSS day. I hope you
still
all
can't
enjoyed
believe-
it.
I still can't believe the week is like over. We completed all the activities. It's like, yeah, it was yesterday
exactly.
where we sat and we were discussing about the events, we were planning everything. And today it's the day. Once again, I wish you all a very happy NSS day.
NSS day. And
Thank
we
you
are
everyone
sorry if
for
there was
joining.
any inconvenience happened from our side.
Yeah,
Really
we're
sorry,
sorry
but we
about it.
hope, yeah. And thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.
And you all have been great audience. Whenever I came here, I enjoyed interacting with all of you. Thank you for being such a supportive participants, and I I had great time with all of you. Thank you.
Exactly. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.